Hey, ready? Today we're getting super practical with Telugu future tense, the kind you'll actually use when talking about plans, predictions, and promises. Stuff like I'll call you, we'll go later, he'll come tomorrow, and the very useful don't worry, I'll help. Real life Telugu, not dusty textbook Telugu. And because this is Telugu, we're going to keep it natural and conversational. You'll hear a nice Tanglish mix because that's how people actually talk. So let's jump in. The big idea is simple. The Telugu future tense often shows up in forms like chustanu, vastanu, veltanu, tintanu, cheptanu. I will do, I will come, I will go, I will eat, I will see. If you start hearing that long anu sound at the end, danu, danu in these forms, your brain should go, future, got it. For you will, in casual speech, you often get chestavu, vastavu, veltavu. For he will, it's usually chestadu, vastadu, veltadu. For she will, chestundi, vastundi, veltundi. And for we will, chestam, veltam. Don't try to memorize every chart like it's a math formula. Instead, learn a few high-frequency verbs as chunks. Here are your power verbs for today. Cheyu are in everyday use, cheyudum, to do. Verlu, to go. Ra, to come. Dinu, to eat. Chudu, to say or tell. Call cheyu, to call. Help cheyu, to help. Notice something fun. With English loanwords, Telugu often just adds cheyu. So call becomes call cheyu, help becomes help cheyu, plan could become plan cheyu. Super handy. Let's start with the most useful form, I will. Nenu chestanu, I will do. Nenu vastanu, I will come. Nenu veltanu, I will go. Nenu cheptanu, I will tell. Little memory trick? Think of tanu here as your I will sound package in many common verbs. Not every verb behaves in exactly the same fancy grammatical way, but as a listening and speaking shortcut, it works beautifully. Now let's make this real. How do you say I will call you tomorrow in Telugu? Nenu repu నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. నేను రేపు నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. Nice. Niku means to you. A quick side note. Telugu often likes these little marker words. Niku is to you. Naku is to me. Ataniki is to him. So I will tell you becomes nenu niku cheptanu. Literally, I to you will tell. Now another one. How do you say we will go to the market in the evening in Telugu? మేము సాయంత్రం మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తాం. మేము సాయంత్రం మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తాం. Good. Marketki means to the market. That little key is super useful for direction. Intiki, to home. Office-ki, to the office. School-ki, to school. Now, future tense in Telugu is often used for plain future plans, but also for predictions. For example, Varsham padutundi. It will rain. Atanu late avutadu. He will be late. Ee cinema baguntundi. This movie will be good. That last one is nice because Telugu often uses unti type forms for states. Baguntundi is like will be good or is likely to be good. Very natural. How do you say he will come later in Telugu? Atanu taruvata vastadu. Atanu taruvata vastadu. Perfect. Taruvata means later or afterwards. Super common. You can also say later in a slightly more English mixed way in casual speech, but taruvata is a great everyday Telugu word. Now let's compare future tense with a near future expression, because this helps a lot. If you say, Nenu vastanu, I will come. That's a general future statement. But if you say, Nenu ippure vastunnanu, I'm coming right now, that feels more immediate, already in motion. So if your friend says, where are you? And you are literally on the way, vastunnanu is often better than vastanu. But if you're making a promise for later, vastanu is perfect. Listen to the difference. Repu vastanu, I'll come tomorrow. Ippure vastunnanu, I'm coming right now. So future tense handles plans, promises, and predictions. The coming right now type often uses a present continuous feeling instead. Don't overthink it. Just remember, if it's scheduled, intended, promised, or predicted, future tense is your buddy. Let's practice with eating, because language teachers apparently believe all life happens around food. Honestly, fair. Nenu tarvata tintanu. I will eat later. Nuvu ipure tintava? Will you eat now? Atanu baita tintadu. He will eat outside. How do you say, will you eat now or later, in Telugu? Nuvu ippudu tintava? Leka tarava tintava? Nuvu ippudu tintava? Leka tarava tintava? Great. Notice the question sound. Tintava. That final makes it a yes-no question in speech. Super useful. Chestava, vastava, veltava. Simple and powerful. Now let's build a tiny pattern set you can recycle everywhere. I will do, chestano. You will do, chestavo. He will do, chestato. She will do, chestundi. We will do, chestam. I will go, veltanu. You will go, veltavo. He will go, veltaru. She will go, veltundi. We will go, veltam. I will come, vastavo. He will come, vastadu. She will come, vastundi. We will come, vastam. You don't need to recite that all day like a robot. Just hear the rhythm. Nedanu, netavo, netaru, tundi. That rhythm itself is a memory aid. Now promises. This is where future tense becomes warm and human. Nenu chestano. I'll do it. Nenu chustano. I'll check. Nenu cheptano. I'll tell you. Nenu help chestaner. I'll help. How do you say, don't worry, I will help in Telugu? Tension padaku. Nenu help chestano. Tension padaku. Nenu help chestano. Nice. Tension padaku is very natural in casual speech. Don't stress. Don't worry. You could also hear kangaru padaku in more Telugu-heavy speech, but tension padaku is extremely common in everyday conversation. Let's make things more realistic with mini situations. Your friend texts, "Can you send the file tonight?" You say, "Nenu ee ratri pampistano." I'll send it tonight. Your mom asks, "When will you come home?" You say, "Nenu 9 gantalaku intiki vastanu." I'll come home at 9. Your friend says, "Are you free on Sunday?" You say, "Avunu, vastanu." Yes, I'll come. Or, "Kadu, nenu pani chestanu." No, I'll work. How do you say I will tell you later in Telugu? Nenu taravata cheptanu. Nenu taravata cheptanu. Very good. Short, useful, and incredibly common. How do you say she will do it tomorrow in Telugu? Ame repu chestundi. Ame repu chestundi. Excellent. And yes, Telugu often allows dropping pronouns when context is clear. So in real speech, people may just say repu chestundi if everyone already knows who she is. Same with nenu, novu, atanu. They can disappear if the context is obvious. Now let's talk about common mistakes, because avoiding mistakes is sometimes faster than learning new rules. First mistake, using present continuous when simple future is better. If you mean I'll come tomorrow, say repu vastano, not repu vastunnano. Vastunnano sounds like I am coming, more immediate or ongoing. Second mistake, forgetting the time word and expecting the verb to do all the work. Telugu future tense is clear, but words like repu, taravata, ee ratri, sayantram, later, tomorrow, tonight, make your meaning much easier. So compare. Vastanu, I'll come. Repu vastanu, I'll come tomorrow. much nicer, much clearer. Third mistake, translating too literally from English going to. In spoken English, I'm going to call him is near future. In Telugu, often simple future works just fine. Nu ataniki call chestanu. You do not need to force a separate going to structure every time. Fourth mistake, mixing up casual and more respectful speech. Today we're mostly using casual forms like nuvu chestavu. That's great for friends, siblings, people your age. In more respectful situations, forms change. But for this lesson, we're locking in the everyday conversational base first. Now I want you to hear a few prediction examples, because future tense is not only about your plan, it's also about what you think will happen. Atanu gelustaru. He will win. Varlu late avutaru. They will be late. Ee pani easy avutundi. This work will become easy. Repu busyga untundi. Tomorrow will be busy. How do you say it will rain today in Telugu? Ee roju varsham padutundi. Ee roju varsham padutundi. Great. Padutundi literally falls, so varsham padutundi is rain will fall, meaning it will rain. Nice and common. Now let's do a short story. First, I'll read the whole thing in Telugu. Just listen. Repu nenu friendni kalustanu. Memu sayantram కేఫేకు వెళ్తాం. అతను కొంచెం లేట్గా వస్తాడు, కానీ నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. అక్కడ కాఫీ తాగుతాం, చాలా మాట్లాడుతాం. తర్వాత మేము ఒక సినిమా చూస్తాం. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక నేను నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. Now let's go line by line. రేపు నేను ఫ్రెండ్ని కలుస్తాను. Tomorrow I will meet a friend. మేము సాయంత్రం కేఫేకు వెళ్తాం. We will go to a cafe in the evening. అతను కొంచెం లేట్గా వస్తాడు, కానీ నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తాను. He will come a little late, but I will wait. అక్కడ కాఫీ తాగుతాం, చాలా మాట్లాడుతాం. There we will drink coffee and talk a lot. తర్వాత మేము ఒక సినిమా చూస్తాం. After that, we will watch a movie. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక నేను నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను. After going home, I will call you. Nice little future tense world there. Plans, timing, and one promise at the end. A quick trick for memory. Attach each future form to one person in your mind. Chestanu, me. Chestavu, you. Chestadu, he. Chestundi, she, it. Chestam, we. If you can say those with one verb, you can swap in many others later. Another trick. Learn future tense in common chunks, not isolated verbs. Repu vastanu. I'll come tomorrow. Tarvata cheptanu. I'll tell you later. Ippude cheyanu. Tarvata chestanu. I won't do it now, I'll do it later. Sayantram veltam. We'll go in the evening. Parledu, nenu chustanu. It's okay, I'll handle it, I'll check. That last one, nenu chustanu, is wonderfully flexible. Depending on context, it can mean I'll see, I'll check, I'll take care of it. Very useful social glue. How do you say I will come at 9 in Telugu? నేను 9 గంటలకు వస్తాను. నేను 9 గంటలకు వస్తాను. How do you say we will watch a movie later in Telugu? మేము తర్వాత సినిమా చూస్తాం. మేము తర్వాత సినిమా చూస్తాం. How do you say you will tell me right in Telugu? నువ్వు నాకు చెప్తావు కదా? నువ్వు నాకు చెప్తావు కదా? Nice. And that little kada is like, right? Very conversational. Before we wrap up, here's the core takeaway. The Telugu simple future is your go-to for 3 big things: plans, predictions, and promises. Plans, repu veltanu. I'll go tomorrow. Predictions, atanu late avutaru. He'll be late. Promises, nenu help chestanu. I'll help. Your key sound patterns are tanu for I will, tavu for you will, tardu for he will, tundi for she it will, tam for we will. And when the future is very immediate, already happening, Telugu often prefers a coming right now style form, like vastunnanu. So keep this contrast in your head. Vastanu, I'll come. Vastunnanu, I'm coming. That's it. Not abstract, not scary, fully usable. If you can say vastanu, jestanu, veltanu, tintanu, chiptanu, and a few time words like repu, tarvata, sayantram, I ratri, you can already speak about the future in a very natural way. Seriously, that's a big step. Future tense lets you make plans, accept invitations, dodge invitations very politely, and sound like you know what your life is doing, even if honestly, you're still figuring it out. Keep repeating the chunks out loud. Repu vastanu, tarvata chiptanu, tension padaku, help chestanu. You've got this. Slow and steady. And very soon these forms will start feeling automatic. Super work. Chala bagundi.